Hey y'all, it's Bear. Look here, I picked up on clearance at Tractor Supply a Gerber Freeman guide. Now the question is it going to be a cheap flop or is it going to be a good budget bushcraft knife? I don't know. We're going to do some testing, but I thought I'd show it to you real quick. We'll open it up and I'll give you my initial thoughts on it. It has a 4-inch drop point blade. It has a full tang construction, a lanyard hole, and it comes with a sheath. One of my first budget camp knives was this Buck. This is the, let's see, Max Light, and it's been a pretty good budget camp knife. There's some things about these two knives that are kind of similar. They were both really made for hunting. So they have blades that are shaped for skinning animals. They both have very similar sheaths. And frankly, it's a pretty cheap and, well, it is what it is kind of sheath, right? Nylon, plastic line. Has a little belt loop here, but you know, not the greatest thing, but it works. It keeps you from poking yourself. I do like they package it with some tip protection there. Some of my first thoughts, the handle's got some really good grip to it, and it's got that jimping a little on the edges there, give you a little extra grip. Aha! It came on. I just bought this scale. It was about to get me mad. Let's see here. So just the knife out of the package is 4.25 ounces or 120 grams. The sheath is 165 ounces or 47 grams. So I'm going to try using this out for a few different things and come back and give you my impressions on it. It looks like it might be workable. I know it's a softer metal, so the edge is going to dull a little sooner, but it should be a little easier to sharpen. So that's going to be one of the sacrifices of having this inexpensive knife. I really like that grip on it though. That's nice and sticky. It's not going any place in your hand. So if you have any thoughts, any tests you want me to do of something that you would do with a little 4-inch bushcraft knife at camp, put them in the comments below so I can work on those. I'm going to do some testing, some cooking, and some camp chores with it, and come back and tell you what I think. Okay, look here, after the fact, I thought I needed a sharpness baseline for our testing we're going to do on the Gerber. So what I've got here is just a piece of spiral notebook paper. Whoops. And that's what I'm going to use. We have a constant to come back to. So this is just out of the box. So, you know, there we are. It's sharp. It's at least working knife sharp. I don't know if I'd shave with it. And the other piece is we'll see how some of my knife sharpening skills are, because I'm a pure amateur at that. So as I dull this up and I have to sharpen it back up, it's going to tell two stories. It's going to tell how easy it is for somebody new that's getting into this, because I haven't done a lot of that, and it'll show how easy the knife sharpens. So here we go. Carry on. Hey, almost forgot one last thing. Just like I said earlier, if you've got a camp test for this knife that you want me to do, you know, something that you would normally do with a 4-inch Bushcraft knife, put it in the comments. I'm going to let this thing sit on the YouTube for about a month or so and see what kind of comments I get. And then I'll start doing some testing.